So find out the sum to n terms of each of the series. First example here, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus dash 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 here. So these are the formula you already proved here. Summation of n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 adds up to 1 n up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Summation of n square means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Summation of n cube is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. These are very important formula. Even in a competitive examination, JEE, CT, we are using these formulas there. Therefore, these are very important formula. First, you find the nth term of this series here. Okay. So take your solution. So Tn means nth term of this series. You just observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The nth term must be n here. Okay. If I add 1 to this number, then we get this number here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 4 plus 1 becomes 5 and so on. Okay. ಈ ಒಂದನೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus 1 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 plus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 plus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 plus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ n plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So n into n plus 1 is our nth term. Okay. Here put n equal to 1 here, we get this one. Put n is equal to 2 here, we get this one. Put n equal to 3, we get this one. Put n equal to 4, we get this one. Hence nth term is this here. Therefore, this is equal to n into n becomes n square. Then plus n into 1 is n here. Therefore, Sn is equal to summation of Tn here. Okay, Sn is what? Summation of Tn. So therefore, this is equal to summation of n square plus n here. So n square plus n. That is equal to summation n square plus summation of n here. Summation of n square plus summation of n. Then this is equal to, you know the formula, summation of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus summation of n, formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n into n plus 1 divided by 3. Therefore, this is equal to, here n into n plus 1, here also n into n plus 1. Denominator is 6 here and here 2. We can take a common factor here. N into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the common factor here. Then the remaining term is 2n plus 1 divided by 3. 2n plus 1 divided by 3 here. Then plus and the remaining term is 1 here. Okay, so n into n plus 1 upon 2 is the common factor. So n plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 here. Then 3 is the same here. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into bracket. So 3 is the LCM here, that is the denominator. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Therefore, n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus 3 becomes 4 here. 2n plus 4 divided by 3. Divided by this 3. Then we can take a 2 common factor here. N into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 2 into n plus 2 divided by 3n. Then this 2 get cancels here. So this equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. Okay. So sum to n terms of this series is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. This is the answer here. Second example, 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 and so on here. Just like a previous example here. So first write here the term here. So Tn is equal to, observe here, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Nth term should be n here. This is n. Next add 1 to this number, we get the second number here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 plus 1 becomes 4 and so on. Here in the nth term, the next term should be n plus 1 here. Next adding 2 to this number, we get this number. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 becomes 4, 3 plus 2 becomes 5, therefore nth term should be, it is n plus 2 here. Just observe, put n equal to 1 here. 1, okay, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 1 plus 2 becomes 3 here. Put n equal to 2, we get this one here. So n is 2 here, 2 plus 1 is 3, then 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Next put n equal to 3, so n is 3 here, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 3 plus 2 becomes 5 and so on. Therefore nth term should be n into n plus 1 into 2, n plus 2 here. Then multiply the terms here. n into n becomes n square, n into 2 becomes 2n, 1 into n becomes n here, 1 into 2 becomes 2. Therefore this equal to n into n square, 2n plus n becomes 3n plus 2n. Next take this n inside the bracket. n into n square is n cube here. Then plus n into n is n square, 3n square plus 2n here plus 2n. So this is nth term of this series here. Here we want the sum here. Therefore Sn is equal to summation of Tn here. That is equal to summation of Tn is this one. So n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. Therefore this is equal to summation of n cube here plus summation of 3 into n square plus summation of 2n here. Therefore this equal to summation n cube plus 3 constant here, keep outside, summation of n square, 2 constant here, summation of n, that is equal to summation n cube is there. So summation of n cube formula is this here. So n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here, then plus 3 into summation of n square. Summation of n square is this one here. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus, then write this to here, 2 into summation of n. Summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Just observe here, n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2, take a common factor here. Therefore this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the common factor into bracket. Then the remaining term is here, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Then the plus 1. Here the remaining term here, 3 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Here you can 3 ones are 3 twos are cancels here. 3 ones are 3 twos are cancels. So n into n plus 1 upon 2 is a common factor. Remaining only 2n plus 1n. Remaining only 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. Then here n into n plus 1 upon 2 common factor here. Remaining term is 2n plus 2. I get that complete here. Then in this bracket, here LCM is 2n. Therefore, this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2n into bracket 2 LCM. So, write 2 in the denominator here. So, n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 here. Then 2 into 2n plus 1. 2 into 2n plus 1 here. Plus then 2 into this 2 becomes 4. So right here 4. Therefore this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2n into n into n becomes n square, n into 1 becomes n, 2 into 2 4 plus 4n, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 2n divided by 2. Okay. Therefore this is equal to n into n plus 1. Here n square plus 4n plus n becomes 5n. Then 2 plus 4 becomes 6. 4 divided by 2 into 2 becomes 4 here. 2 into 2 becomes 4. Okay. So this is a quadratic equation here. So simplify n square plus 5n plus 6 is equal to. So product should be 6, sum should be 5. So two numbers are 2 and 3. Hence n square plus 2n plus 3n plus 6n. So n is a common factor in the first two terms. Write n plus 2 in the bracket. And the last two terms 3 common factor here, n plus 2. Hence n plus 2 common. N plus 2 is the common factor. Then n plus 3 remaining are here. So therefore here n square plus 5 plus 6 is equal to this one. Therefore this is equal to n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1, and this is a n plus 2 into n plus 3, n plus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4, divided by 4. So this is the sum to n in terms of this series here. Third example here, 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square and so on here. First write here nth term of the series here. Okay, so Tn is equal to result of the 3, 5, 7 and so on here. So look here, 3, 5, 7 and so on, 3, 5, 7 and so on here. So they are in AP here. Okay, are in AP. Are in AP because the difference is the same. 5 minus 3 to 7 minus 5 is also 12. Difference is the same. Therefore they are in AP. Therefore your first term is 3 and the common difference is 2. So you know nth term of AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into dr. So this is the formula here. So therefore this equal to a value is 3 n plus n, keep as it is here, n minus 1, d value is 2 n. Therefore 3 plus n into 2 becomes 2n. Minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2. So 2n, 3 minus 2 becomes 1n. Therefore 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1n into. Next 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. Therefore nth term must be, it is a n square here. Nth term is a n square. Therefore here if you take n equal to 1 here, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, then n is 1 square. Put n equal to 2 here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 into 2 square. Put n equal to 3, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 into 3 square and so on. Therefore nth term is 2n plus 1 into n square. Take n square inside the bracket here, 2n cube plus n square here. Therefore Sn is equal to summation of Tn here, that is a summation of 2n cube plus n square, 2 constant here, therefore 2 into summation of n cube plus summation of n square here, summation n square. Therefore this 2 keep as it is here, 2 into summation of n cube. Summation of n cube is this one here. So n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here. Then plus summation of n square. Summation of n square is this one here. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Divided by 6. Okay. You can cancel here. 2 1s are 2 2s are get cancels here. Here n into n plus 1 upon 2, even here also n into n plus 1 upon 2. You can take a common factor here. Therefore n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the common factor here. The remaining term here n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 here. Then plus here 2n plus 1 divided by 3. 2n plus 1 divided by 3 is the remaining term here. n into n plus 1 by 2 is the common factor. Then here LCM is a 3 here. Therefore this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into bracket. So 3 LCM here, 3 into this 3n into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 here. Bracket complete here. Okay. Now simplify here. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 here into, so 3n into n becomes 3n square here. 3n square. 3n into 1 becomes 3n plus 3n plus 2n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. So therefore this equal to n into n plus 1 into 3n square. 3n plus 2n becomes 5n plus 1 divided by 3 into 2 becomes 6n. So this is the answer here. Sum to n terms of this series is this here.